The overall view of commissioning of anticoagulation services is that we've got very established models in various different parts of the country. So the challenge that people are facing is not how to set new ones up, but how to address capacity issues. So the major problem facing commissioners of anticoagulation services is how to cope with the volume of patients. So one of the things that primary care has been doing is taking on those additional patients as the pool of patients grows. They're being treated out in primary care, they're going to see their GP for their blood tests, etc. And the challenge for us there is how to maintain quality of services to make sure that all of those GPs are delivering to the standards that we would want them delivered to. Making sure that the GPs who are prescribing and treating out in primary care are kept up to date, that they know what's happening, and particularly with the new changes around the new oral anticoagulants, we need to get information and education and training out to them as to what's involved with the new agents and how they're going to change what they do in practice. And to answer the queries, patients know about these drugs and they're coming in with questions. My priorities at the minute around commissioning anticoagulation services are identifying all the patients that need to be treated under the anticoagulation service and making sure we've got the capacity to treat them. I need to be ensuring that the GPs are up to date, that they have the relevant information, that they know about the new drugs, they know about other advances, and that they're treating the patients to the required standards, quality standards we would want them to be using. And I need to be giving information to patients. Patients are aware that there are changes in the anticoagulation treatment arena, and we need to have relevant information to be able to give to patients for them to understand what these new treatments involve. We need to be having a mature discussion about commissioning anticoagulation services. Clinicians need to understand that we know the value of these new drugs. We're aware of the benefits we bring. We want to see the reduction in strokes. However, where are we going to get the money from to be able to invest in these new drugs? And we need to be engaging patients in that discussion as well for them to understand the cost and the impact of the new agents.